Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a non-mod chat delay, meaning that it adds a short delay before non-mods see messages while you are streaming on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app or the website and click on this profile icon in the upper right corner, then tap on channel. After that, click on the channel or customize channel button down below on the right side. Then go to the settings section in the upper or in the left side column, and within the setting section you can find the moderation subcategory. So scroll down to chat options here and click on non-mod chat delay. Here you can set 2 seconds, 4 seconds or 6 seconds. So tap on the relevant one and then the chat delay will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.